Respected elders, educationists, dear teachers and dear students, welcome. First of all, it is my kind request that those who haven't subscribed our channel so far may kindly subscribe it. Dear students, in this class we are going to see the uses of the auxiliary verb shall. How it is used in first and second and third persons. We are going to see the 5 main uses of shall. Come. Auxiliary verbs, part 4a. 5 main uses of shall. Video 207, dated 16/12/23. Auxiliary verbs, part 4a. Shall. SHAL has 2 kinds of pronunciation. One is a shall, weak form, shall, strong form. Then shall is used in the first person. It should be pronounced as shall. That is, in first person it represents the ordinary future events. But in second and third person it represents the intention of the speaker. So when shall is used in the first person, it should be sounded as shall. But when it is used in the second and third person, it should be pronounced as shall. Now come. Shall as an auxiliary of the tense. That is, it is used as the auxiliary of the future tense in the first person to express the future events or state. Edirkala verse to express the future events or state. To say the future events. To express the future events in the first person. To express the future events in general, future events or state. Then we classify it in 2 kinds. To express the future events in the first person. Then that is to express the normal future events. To express the intention of the speaker in the second and third person about the future events. That is, shall functions in 2 ways. When it is used in the first person, it represents the future events. But when it is used in the second and third person, it denotes the intention of the speaker. All right, that's all. Come, let us see. You see? I shall be 20 next Friday. First person. The following Friday, I shall be completing 20. I will be completing 20. He shall meet you tomorrow. Here it is the automatic events, but here it is intentional. I shall be 20 next Friday. It is automatic, but he shall meet you tomorrow. It is intentional. Forms of shall in affirmatives, negatives, interrogatives and negative interrogatives. Affirmative, shall. Negative, shall not or shan't. See, shan't. Ish or int, shan't. Interrogative, shall I use your book? Negative interrogative. Shall I not use your book or shan't I use your book? Shall is used in the first person to express the normal future events, but shall is used in the second and third person to express the intention of the speaker. Dear students, you should bear it. You should remember. You should bear it. You should record it in your memory. That is, shall is used in the first person to express the normal future events. But shall is used in the second and third person to express the intention of the speaker. Kindly bear it in mind. Shall is always followed by the bare infinitive. That is, only a present verb should follow shall, not any other verb. But any kind of be verb, any kind of present verb. Bare infinitive means any kind of be verb, present verb should follow shall. Okay, you see, I or we shall study anywhere in India. Shall study, bare infinitive. That is simple. Present verb. So okay. Now let us see the uses of shall. The first use. It is used as an auxiliary of future events, future tense of the first person in the single future tense. Shall is used in the first person to represent, to express the future events. I shall be 25 next Monday. Simple future. We shall know the result next week. Simple future. Unless the taxi comes in time, we shall miss our plane. I am afraid I shan't have time to finish the work. All this in these four sentences, it expresses the future events. That's all. It has been shall has been used with the subjects I and we. Note: shall is in this way only in formal, that is in grammatical English. It is not normally used in common conversation, that is in spoken. We normally use will for the first person also. That is, it is noted here, that is, the use of shall in the first person is only in the book, only in the grammar of English. But in ordinary speech, we are using will for first person also. But as far as myself is concerned, I could say to represent, to express normal future events, we should use shall in the first person. So for this, the somewhat example is given, some exceptions regarding this. In normal common conversation, in spoken English, you normally use will for the first person also. But it is revised in the following sentences. This idea is modified. However, even though sometimes will might change the meaning of the sentence. For instance, if in, that is, you say, instead of shall, we can use will. That is what we are doing in our speech. I will be 25 next Monday. We will know the result next week. Unless the taxi comes in time, we will miss our flight. That is, instead of shall, here we have used will. Of course, it may be taken, this both are equal to one another. But sometimes we might change the meaning of the sentence. For instance, if in I shall see Meena tomorrow, we replace shall by will. We have I will see Meena tomorrow, which would be an expression of intention. So see, if in the sentence I shall see Meena tomorrow, we replaces shall by will, then the meaning will have the meaning of the sentence will get totally changed. Here, I shall see Meena tomorrow means it is a natural events. I will be meeting Meena tomorrow, but I will see Meena tomorrow means it is my intention. I have already planned. I will meet means it is my intention. I have already planned. I have already determined to meet Meena tomorrow. So, To avoid these ambiguities, they are telling to avoid these ambiguities, you can use will, the future tense. Right? I will be seeing Meena tomorrow. But I say, to avoid these ambiguities, so we can use shall for the first person and will for the second and third person. Then the second use, it is used, that is, shall is used in first person in the interrogative. It is in nowadays use, that is, in interrogative sentence, shall is used in the first person. Even nowadays, it is in use. 1. In question tags after letters. Let's go. Shall we? Let's go. Shall we? It is the. Then, in such a sense, that means giving ideas. Shall we take a taxi? It is giving, expressing such a sense. Shall we take a taxi? Then, in a request for order or instruction, the third use of shall in the first person is the request, giving a request for order or instruction. What shall I cook for breakfast? It is the request. It is the request given to the owner or the higher authority. What shall I cook for a breakfast? A request for order or instruction. Then fourth use is in speculations. The assumption. In speculation means in assumptions. In first person. Where shall we be next year by this time? It is the speculation. Where shall we be next year by this time? By this time, where we shall be, we don't know. Where shall we next year by this time? We don't know. It is an assumption, a supposition, speculations. Where shall we be next year by this time? Then, used in first person when giving promise. To give promise, shall is used in the first person. I tell you, I shall be there tomorrow. So that is the speaker is giving the promise. I tell you, I shall be there tomorrow. Definitely I will be there tomorrow. To give permission. Then fourth use, used in first person when expressing determination. To express the determination of the speaker. To express the determination of the speaker. Shall is used in the first person. We shall fight and we shall win. We shall fight and we shall win. It is the determination of the speaker. We shall fight and we shall win. Then, the fifth use, fifth means categorically I have given some, even though I have titled it, I have given the number 5. I have already given the uses of shall more than 10. So 10 uses I have told you. So even here also I am going to some 3 or 4 uses of 5. Used, under the number 5, I am going to give some 3 uses of shall. Used in the second and third person to express the intention. It is command, promise, threat, etc. That is, shall is used in second and third person to express the command or a promise or threat, etc. First, order or speculation. You shall meet Kumar tomorrow. It is the you shall meet Kumar. You shall meet Kumar tomorrow. That is, you should meet Kumar. You should meet Kumar tomorrow. It is the order of the speaker. You shall meet Kumar tomorrow means you should meet Kumar. You should meet Kumar tomorrow. It is the order of the speaker. Then, Devi shall help Rani. Devi shall help Rani. This sentence may have the meaning of the sentence can be taken in two ways. Its meaning can be taken in two ways. It is the order of the speaker that Devi should help Rani. It is all meaning. It is the order of the speaker that Devi should help Rani. The second meaning is to help to Rani is the intention of Devi. So to help to Rani is the intention of Devi. It is own kind of meaning. It is the intention of Devi. But Devi shall help Rani is the order of the speaker. Devi should help Rani. So the meaning, Devi shall help Rani can be taken in two ways. Then second use, threat of the speaker. To express the threat of the speaker, we can use shall. If anyone is found guilty of robbery, he or she or they shall be shot at once. If anyone is found guilty of robbery, he will be shot at once. He will be shot at once. It is a threat. Then that use, promise of the speaker. To express the promise of the speaker, shall can be used in the second and third person. You shall have a sweet. It is the promise of the speaker. You shall have a sweet. That means I promise you a sweet. Expression of promise. He refuses to go. I tell you, he shall go. That is, the speaker says, actually somebody else refuses to go. But I tell you, that is, I promise you. I tell you, he shall go. I tell you, he must go. So, the promise of the speaker. You shall have the books tomorrow. That is, you will be getting the books tomorrow. You shall have the books tomorrow. You must get the books tomorrow. Thus, under the number 5, fifth use, you have seen 3 uses of main uses of shall. Shall used in the second and third person to express the intention of the speaker. It can be either command or request or advice, promise, whatever it is, to express the intention of the speaker. In second and third person it is used. So, my dear students, shall, that is actually shall is used so mainly to express the future events or future states in the first person. To express the future events, ordinary future events. To express ordinary future events of the first person, shall is used in the first person. I shall meet you tomorrow. Not very. I shall meet you tomorrow. That's all. We shall meet you tomorrow. Ordinary future events. But the same shall is used in second and third person to express the intention of the speaker. That is, to express the command, order, promise, advice, request, threat, whatever it is. So it is here and there it is being told that shall is used in the first person to express the future events. Shall is used in the second and third person to express the intention of the speaker. That is the command, order, request, etc. of the speaker. But in between these two uses, the English authors are telling us who can use will in the place of shall in the first person. Well, sometimes we can use. They are advising us. But when we use, we cannot use will instead of shall in all the places for shall, for in the first person. In the first person, we cannot use will instead of shall in all the places. It would be changing the meaning. It would be changing the entire meaning. So, I shall help you. I shall help you is entirely different from I will help you. I shall help you means I may help you. That's all. I shall help you means you just I may help you, but I will help you. It is the certainly I should help you. I will help you means I must help you. Not I should help you, I must help you. So, my dear students, without giving any place to doubt, use shall in the first person when to express the future events, and use shall in the second and third person to express the intention of the speaker. It's okay? Respected elders, educationists, dear teachers and dearest students, so far I have given some 10 or 12 uses of shall in the first person, one side, in the second and third person, and others. It is my kind request to students, be extremely careful of using shall in first person and second and third person. Simple future, intention of the speaker, second and third person. Kindly, again and again, I request you, record it, store it in your memory. Without this shall, you can neither speak nor write English, whether it's written English or spoken English, so whatever it is. Shall plays a very important roles in English. So bear it in mind. So okay, teachers and students and elders, I thank all of you for listening to my class. In the next class, we will see. It is maintenance. I have already planned. It is made. We will see the uses of should, the past tense of shall. How that should is used as a modal auxiliaries. Shall is used to mainly to refer to the future events, but the uses of should would be totally. Should is used as a modal auxiliary. That we are going to see tomorrow. So okay. Till then, I wish all of you a very nice time.